Welcome to the learning graveyard. Where spooky wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Lern. Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Lern, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Lern.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
Make your drawing float. To view our What to Get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. Ta-da!
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible? Yeah! The science behind the experiment. Dry erase markers contain an ingredient that keeps the marker from adhering permanently to non-porous surfaces. The ink in the markers does not dissolve in water, and it also less dense than water.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.